guys, in this video I want to be seeing how to create a rear apron. Is this this is big enough right now, and it covers all the car. And here's the important thing: inside view, make sure that this curve is vertical, so we don't have weird curvature graphs and everything is better seen with the silver stripes, and it's flowing nice, and we don't have any strange peaks there, so looking really nice. So we can close that little surface on the wheel arch with a square tool, all curves set in position 2, and you have to go to edit mirror, and that will do for the apron. Hope you find this video useful, and see you in the next one.